Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. It is just a week before Christmas, and we're trying to get all our customer projects done and out the door so they have time to bind them and give them to their loved ones for Christmas. So let's just keep plugging away here. This is a lovely little pattern. I like this, and I'm gonna take that idea and I'm gonna run away with it. Not necessarily with my half square triangles, but definitely as a quilt build out sometime next year. So, and we're doing a snowflake swirl on this one. I love the colors of the green and the brown and the mix with the white and this beautiful lovely fabric here. Totally plays on it. And we have a bone colored thread. So it's not totally white because I do want it to see maybe just a little bit up on the whites. Seems like it almost disappears, but I think it looks beautiful. And then we have this gorgeous striped backing here. Oh my gosh, that's just beautiful. Absolutely love it. And when Walt makes his way back that way, you'll be able to see it. Now this is gorgeous. It ends up, it's about 90 by 70, 72 I think it is. Okay. Just want to make sure things lay flat. Okay. And we only got one more to go, one more row to go. This is already worked on 3. And we're almost finished. It looks good. Looks really good. Should be very happy. So what it seems like this is built out with you got your half square triangle, or you can kind of work one piece by a section. Nice big triangle. Then you're adding pieces. It looks good to me. It's a neat block. It's definitely a neat block. And I like how you alternate. If you got green going on the one side, you do the brown on the other sort of thing, right? That looks kind of cool. Oops, losing my mic. So hopefully everybody is ready for the big day. And remember, we are doing a 12-hour live stream this Saturday at 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, so come join us there. We're going to work on a free pattern, Carpenter Star. And we'll be able to share that pattern with you. And we're going to make some cookies and have some lunch. Come join us and have some fun. We can sing some Christmas carols. This has been a very popular stitch out this Christmas. Sometimes some are more popular than others. Definitely this one this year. Lots of snowflakes, lots of swirls. The beautiful, beautiful projects have been under Walt's needle this past few months, so that's for sure. It's been lovely to see it on my end. See all the beautiful artwork. So pretty. Love the way that thread pops up on the green. Lovely. That's cute little deer fabric there too. I like that. I wonder if this was a kit or she just busted her stash, because it looks like it got a couple of different kind of browns in here, different color greens, or different kinds of greens, and obviously different colors greens. And then this one constant color here is that white with the green swirl and snow on it. Very cute. So we're going to let Walt work his way. Now you can see how that beautiful backing fabric. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely love that. And she matched it up pretty darn good. You can't see right there. Right the halfway point. Okay, you can see she did so well. It looks awesome. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And a good size. And this is a pattern that you can bulk out and make it small and as big as you like. It's one of those kind of universal blocks. You could do whatever you like with it. Make it a little smaller, make it a little bigger, make some pillows to match. Make the matching dog bed with the leftover bits. Everybody's got fur, baby. Take care, everybody. Enjoy the day, and we will see you on the weekend for 12 hours of fun, fun, fun. All right? Have a good one. Take care. Enjoy your day. And see you soon.